Some breaking news to begin this broadcast with. A daring plot to break out of Sabarmati jail by terrorists in the prison has been busted. There has been a discovery of a 18-feet tunnel as well. 14 of the Ahmedabad serial blast accused, remember, are presently lodged at the jail. Officials say the tunnel was being dug for the past 5 to 6 months and the detainees were trying to escape using the tunnel. Police officials said there was over 50 under trials in the jail, of whom 14 have been identified as well. They said the tunnel was halfway when it was discovered by the jail authorities. Authorities are also pointing out to the involvement behind IM. They are suspected to be behind the entire conspiracy. Headline says Mausiki Achara joins us with more details. Mausiki, just fill us in. What do we know at this stage? How did the authorities how were they able to trace down this tunnel as well?
Well, the sources within the jail tell us that the planning for this tunnel began at least 2 months ago, and they started work on this almost a month ago. 14 IM operatives who are accused in the Ahmedabad blast case are lodged here at the Sabarmati jail and are together in one single cell. And the superintendent of the jail, RJ Pargi, just told us that away from police's eye, a place which was not visible from outside the cell, they chose a place between the toilet and a window and they started digging tunnel almost a month back. Though they have not officially confirmed the length of the tunnel, but the sources within the jail tell us that it is almost 18 feet long and 14 people were involved in digging this tunnel. Their modus operandi was that they would all sleep in the morning, would all relax, and then they would work very hard throughout the night to dig the tunnel, and they would take turns to dig the tunnel so that it would not be noticed by the police officials. They have been very late in figuring out why it took so long for them to discover this tunnel. The investigation has begun. All the topmost police officials in the city, including the Commissioner of the Police, the IG of Jails, PC Thakur, the crime branch which is investigating the Ahmedabad blast case, the topmost police official AK Sharma, along with the IO Himanshu Shukla, all reached the jail premises to speak to the people who are involved in this. The investigation has begun, the questioning has begun. More details will emerge when crime branch holds a PC a press conference at around 2 this noon.
But given the kind of, people that we're talking about here, accused in serial blasts, certainly there's a higher level of security which is, employed to keep a check on them. Also, a word about, some details, initial details I understand emerging at this stage about, some of these people who are engineers, people who are digging these tunnels, who were civil engineers perhaps, went on to plan something like this.
Absolutely, it's one of the biggest lapses on part of the Sabarmati jail authorities here. There are several questions emerging from here, that how did they get those equipments, such sharp equipments to dig the tunnel here? Also, how did it go unnoticed by the jail authorities here, considering that they are some of the most high-profile criminals involved in not just Ahmedabad blast case, but also blast cases, serial blast across the country, which includes the Bangalore, the Mumbai, the Delhi blast. How were they not under 24-hour scrutiny? And if they were under 24-hour scrutiny, how did this, such a huge act of digging a tunnel, go unnoticed? Several questions have emerged, the investigations have begun, but the jail authority is not uttering a word on this huge lapse. Meanwhile, the tunnel which was dug up has been measured, and sources tell us that it is almost 18 feet long, almost halfway through what they were planning to get out of the jail.
Mausiki, just stay on for a moment. Some reactions also that we're picking up from the police authorities there. The reaction first are coming from the DGP. Listen in.
तो हमारे छोटा चक्कर में 4 नंबर की जो बैरक है, इसमें 14 लोग जो सीरियल ब्लास्ट केस के हैं, इनके पीछे, मतलब बैरक में नहीं, बैरक के पीछे बाथरूम और लैट्रिन वगैरह की व्यवस्था है। इसके पीछे कोर्ट है और हमारा जनरल जो जेल का जो मेन कोर्ट है वो तो कम से कम यहाँ से 150 या 200 फुट दूर है। वहाँ कुछ अंदर इन लोगों ने एक सुरंग जैसा खोदने की शुरुआत जस्ट ट्राई किया था। तो बोल लेने दे पहला। वो बैरक में 14 लोग रहते हैं।
अच्छा, ये जो सुरंग बने उसके पास उनके पास हथियार कहाँ से आए, कैसे?
नहीं, हथियार वहाँ हथियार की जरूरत नहीं है, टोटली माटी है, रेती टाइप की माटी है, इस वजह से कोई लकड़ी से और ज्यादातर उन्होंने अपनी प्लेट से ये खुदाई किया है।
सर, 18 फीट की ये सुरंग है, उसको बनाने में काफी समय लगा होगा। कितने दिन से ये?
शायद अभी तो हमारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन, अभी जस्ट FIR दर्ज हम कर रहे हैं। क्राइम ब्रांच, ATS सीपी के वो सब लोग, सीपी साहब के सब लोग इधर है, तो हम उसको FIR वगैरह कर रहे हैं, इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं, फिर बाद में सारा पता चलेगा।
सर
It's a huge security lapse certainly, and we'll continue to seek answers from the administration on what really went wrong. How was an 18 feet long tunnel undetected for so long? Mausiqui will continue tracking the very latest. Thanks very much for joining us.